Welcome to my channel once again. I'm Marlene Correa here, and today I'm going to make a vegetable which is called the mixed vegetable. And you know why I decided to make mixed vegetable? Because I had little bit of beans, one potato and 3 small capsicums. I said I will mix all those vegetables and I will make. Now here are the ingredients. I have mustard. I have mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt, 1 small onion, 1 small tomato chopped, turmeric powder, a few coriander leaves. I have here soaked gram dal. I soaked it in hot water for half an hour. Okay, and this is the asafoetida, hing. In India, in Indian language we call it hing. It is asafoetida. I will keep the vessel on medium high, not high, medium high. I will heat the vessel. Let it get heated before I put the oil. And as you know, I use coconut oil in all my cooking. And I will provide the link below of which brand of coconut oil I am using. It comes in plastic bottles, but I empty it in the steel because it is safer to keep it in the steel tiffin. Five teaspoons of coconut oil. And don't be shocked that I am using 5 teaspoons of coconut oil. In the whole day, I know how much of coconut oil I am using. It is good, it is nutritious. And my daughter has done nutrition, so she guides me. Okay, so you don't have to worry. Oil is hot, now I will sprinkle just a few mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Okay, it has become hot, it is spurting. I will fold in the chopped onions. Let it fry the onions. Always while cooking you should have patience, not hurry, because every ingredient has got its own flavor and the own way of cooking. You see the aroma and everything. Now you see the onions have lost its raw flavor, translucent. Now I will put in the tomato. The tomato has to be fried well. Now to help this to fry well, I will put in the salt, required amount of salt. Half a teaspoon of salt. And that is all the salt that I will be using for this vegetable. Allow the tomatoes to be cooked, become soft. Let it cook. Don't allow it to burn. Keep on stirring. Don't leave the kitchen with the dish on the gas. Always be there. That is put in this pinch of asafoetida. Look, turmeric powder. This is my small spoon. Here. Put little water because this dal has to get cooked. Close it for some time. After half a minute, I will put in the cut potatoes and the other vegetable. I have finished adding the amount of salt. So this let it cook. And in between you have to keep opening and stirring it, okay? Don't allow it to burn. I have to check if the potato is cooked. So if the potato is cooked, I've just reduced the flame. If the potato is cooked, that means other vegetables are cooked. You just little more it has to cook, the potato. So once the potato is cooked means the other vegetables in it have cooked. So I will add little more water, little. Yes, let it get cooked. Increase the flame. I will put in little Kolhapuri masala, that's enough. And now since I want to use scraped coconut, I will garnish it with coconut and the coriander. Stir it well. This is a Kolhapuri masala I have used because it already has that ginger, garlic, everything mixed in that. Now allow it to cook for 3 minutes. Another 3 minutes and I'll put it off. Yeah, the potato has become soft. I'll put it off. My dear viewers, my mixed vegetable is over, and you know why I made mixed vegetable? Because little of each kind was remaining. One potato, some beans and capsicum and one lentil. So I love this. Please put in your comments and give me some suggestions and request me to make more videos in vegetarian or non-vegetarian. Thank you.